This is Chef Seth. Welcome to Noodles Italian Cafe, my kitchen, our restaurant, and we invite it to be your home. Welcome to our sushi bar. This episode, Brandon's going to show you how to make our sesame tuna Asian salad that's on our menu. Very light and delicious, healthy. Chef Brandon, take it away. Out with some fresh cucumber. It's been sliced and designed, peeled. He's going to take some mixed red leaf lettuce. You can use mixed greens, you can use romaine, you can use spinach. Here at the restaurant we use red leaf lettuce and we mix a little bit of field greens into it. That's your base. Little purple cabbage and white Napa cabbage. We have a little shredded carrots that we've spiraled on the machine, or you can slice them. We have some edamame peas. Those are the little soy edamame. They usually come in the husk. We take them out. Now this is our Asian tuna. It's a bluefin tuna block. We cut it down to size from our tuna loin. And then we sear it very rare on the outside. And the inside's very rare. We sear it outside. And that's a black and white sesame seed mix on there. To this we add our homemade Asian dressing. All right, voila, one healthy, delicious sesame tuna salad for you. We're going to show you how to make our very own exclusive only to Noodles Italian Cafe and Sushi Bar, our Lobster Martini. And we have an 8-ounce lobster tail, beautiful fresh lobster tail. I'm going to show you how to cook that. It's going to be, half of it's going to get rolled in the sushi roll, and the other half's going to be tempura fried and put on top. We're going to top it with some steamed ebi shrimp. Inside the roll is going to get cream cheese, avocado, asparagus, masago on top. We have some bamboo leaves to put underneath for decoration, and of course the rice and the nori wrap. Chef Brandon's going to put that together for you. Inside the roll is going to get cream cheese, avocado, asparagus, lobster tail. It's going to get rolled in the sushi roll. Bamboo leaves to put underneath for decoration, and the other half's going to be tempura fried and put on top. We're going to top it with some steamed ebi shrimp. You're going to see Chef Brandon cut the orange, make it like a bird. Voila, our lobster martini. So for you home shoppers, all these ingredients can be bought at the Asian market right here on Pine Ridge Road. It's at 1951 Pine Ridge Road. It's called the Asian Market. And they have everything available. Decorative plates, wasabi, ginger, sushi rice, the nori wrap, seaweed. Then you're going to need to make your mixture to mix with your sushi rice. That's mirin, rice wine vinegar, sugar, and salt. So they sell all those ingredients there. Your maki rice pad, chopsticks, and of course we're featuring our Noodles Italian Cafe chopsticks. And then you need a wooden bowl called a hangiri. These are some examples of some decorations that you can do. See Chef Brandon cut the orange, make it like a bird. There's all kind of versions you can do. These are some beautiful orchids that we use here. There's fire sticks, there's all kind of items that you can order and find. They dress up your plate, make a nice decoration. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode on tips and tricks and decorations for your creations at home. Be sure to come back next week to see about Noodles' famous happy hour with Jersey Bob, over 50 small dinner plates for a happy hour, drinks, our bartenders, people in here dancing, have a good time. Monday through Friday and Wednesday and Thursday, extended happy hour. See you next week. Tune in every Wednesday for Noodles recipes, tips, and tricks. And don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Chef Seth Berman.